featherweight division, 126 pounds. Concepcion moving his hands now. Hooking off his jab, trying to land the right cross. Blocked though.
Ang nag-iisang Pinoy na sumubok sa lakas at tibay ni Mikey Garcia. Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Mikey Garcia, 4th Division World Champion. At sa kasalukuyan ay may mga umugong na mga balita na siya na daw ang susunod na makakalaban ni Manny Pacquiao. Pero bago yan, ay pag-usapan muna natin at muling sulyapan at balikan ang unang Pinoy boxer na kumasa sa lakas at tibay ni Mikey Garcia. March 10, 2012 sa Puerto Rico, naganap ang laban ng boxing rising star noon na si Mikey Garcia kontra sa ating pambato, ang veterano na rin sa bakbakan na si Bernabe The Real Deal Concepcion, para ito sa pagdepensa ni Mikey Garcia sa kanyang mga titulo na NABF Featherweight title at WBO NABO Featherweight title. Sa kanilang laban, bit-bit ng Pinoy challenger ang record na 30 wins, 5 losses, 1 draw at 16 dito via KO, habang itong defending champion na si Mikey Garcia ay may malinis at impresibong kartada na 27 wins at 23 dito via knockout. Sa gabi mismo ng banggaan, bagamat knockout artist itong si Mikey Garcia at mas malaki at mas matangkad pa, ay di ito inatrasan ng ating kababayan. Unang round, palitan agad ng mga patama sa ulo at budiga ang dalawa. Mas sumusugod itong Pinoy pero mas accurate naman ang mga counter nitong si Mikey Garcia.
Concentration to make him complacent, certainly not. Has a very methodical and
yeah, but a lot of times for a young fighter, you know, in the rainbow, but no one told Salih.
So Garcia, his last fight on October 22nd. He had a great amateur background in 2005, National PAL champion. In his previous fight on May 6th of 2000. Both fighters taking their time.
Open up a little bit, start jabbing, throwing combinations to the body and things like that, and those gloves and the punches that he's not landing.
Compared to when we saw him in the first round.
more, you know, he can get his rhythm in a fight, and he's doing that in this fight.
Garcia getting a little closer as the first round comes to an end. Scheduled for 10.
Second round, ganun pa rin ang takbo ng laban. Bagamat sumusugod pa rin itong si Concepcion, ay di talaga basta-basta makapasok ang mga kamao niya. Epektibong ginagamit kasi ni Garcia ang haba ng kamay niya. Madalas nagbabato ng mga jabs na talagang tumatama sa mukha ng Pinoy.
The things about fighting a counterpuncher like this, at least gives you the chance to get your bearings.
And you're absolutely right, Al, but if Concepcion is here to win this fight, he cannot allow...
It seems as if you don't like the pace that Garcia is establishing right now.
Dictate the pace. Pressure, pressure, pressure. You can't let this guy, he's too...
To put on the board in terms of activity of Concepcion, which is also, there's the solid right.
Fight in Riverside, 2 or 3 weeks. Coming into
City.
What I see so far is sometimes he has a power jab that you don't see a lot of young...
Using that jab that Antonio talked about and doubling with it, and that sets up the beautiful right hand. Garcia has power in that punch, and if Concepcion stays on the end of these punches...
Sa mga sumunod na round, mapapansin talaga ang layo ng diferensya ng tangkad at laki nila. Mas malaki talaga itong champion ni si Mikey Garcia kumpara kay Concepcion. Pero matapang na sinabayan pa rin ng Pinoy challenger ang lakas nitong kampiyon.
Garcia in the black trunks, in red.
Time. We are nothing if not interactive here at Showtime.
I don't know how to do any of that.
By Garcia, you know, that he controls as the tempo of fights and everything.
Defense, it's going to be very hard to open him up. You know, he reminds me of a young Oscar De La Hoya. He's not as fast, but he's tight.
65 punches around, that's what...
Right hand, chopping him down.
Ooh, Garcia is a...
Nabugbog talaga si Concepcion sa laban na to. Nahihirapan talagang makapasok sa tindi ng depensa nitong si Mikey Garcia. Dagdag mo pa ang haba ng kamay niya. 5'4 lang din kasi itong si Concepcion, habang 5'6 si Mikey Garcia.
Both thought that he should go after Remillard a little earlier than he did, and he didn't. He's round. And maybe this fight is similar. You know, he's
Nice counter.
Because Concepcion seemed like he's not reaching Garcia with the like there the jab. He's snapping his head back. He's
Now Garcia moving forward. Another straight right hand sends Concepcion. Nice hook to the body.
Concepcion started to get something done offensively, but again, what he ran into was the counterpunching of Garcia, and there he gets hit with the first left hook, and then there'll be another one here closing out the round. That last one did
26 pounds. Mikey, Angel Garcia in black and black trunks.
Talked about the boxing family of Garcia.
Sa round na ito, nasa pool na naman ng solido itong Pinoy challenger mula sa malupit na kanan ni Mikey Garcia na paatras sa lakas pero matibay din talaga, nakatayo pa at nakipagsabayan pa sa kampiyon.
Of Garcia and how effective it
will pose well for him moving forward into the championship fight.
Ooh! A right hand lands.
looks like he's really on his heels.
And that's what you need to be the mark of a superstar in boxing. You got to be a great closer.
Also Mikey as well. And we look at Garcia, that was that important right hand in the last round. And he lands these big power punches.
Sixth round, patuloy ang laban. Ramdam na rin ni Garcia na kayang-kaya na niyang tapusin ang laban. Mas agresibo na siya, mas sumusugod na. Iniipit na sa corner si Concepcion habang pinapaulan na ni Garcia ng kaniyang mga malulupit na kombinasyon.
Heavyweight showdown, Grand Prix coming to an end. Conclude.
That's going to be a lot of fun. And right now, it seems to me Antonio Garcia is serious about trying to end this fight.
Yeah, he is. But he's doing a lot of head hunting. I mean, he has to dig something downstairs to the there you go.
He's a classic example. Garcia is a classic example of building, and now he's working the body.
Back to the center of the ring.
In his last fight against Precision Concepcion, it was tough for him, and right now he's not faring well against Garcia.
Against Garcia, I would say that he doesn't go to the body nearly enough.
Seventh round, kahit mas nabugbog itong ating pambato, ay di ito nakitaan na nanghihina. Andun pa rin ang lakas, tibay at ang stamina, pero sadyang maliit lang talaga siya para kay Mikey Garcia.
Land the right cross.
Because, you know, you only as good as your last hands. The networks are gonna love him even.
Hey, you know you won, but you didn't. But what he...
Sa kalagitnaan ng laban, nahuli ng isang 1-2 kombinasyon itong si Concepcion at bagsak sa unang pagkakataon.
Me, it was always about my performance.
Oh my, well there's some marketing right there for us.
And what that was...
Hey, are you right? Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Nakabango naman ito, pilit tinuloy ang laban. Matapos bilangan, ay dinumina na talaga ni Mikey Garcia ang buong round ng kanilang suntukan. Pinaulanan ng kamao hanggang ang referee na mismo ang tumapos sa laban ng dalawa. Nakita na kasi niya na wala na talagang pag-asa na manalo pa ang Pinoy challenger kontra sa mas malaking si Mikey Garcia.
He threw a couple combination punches.
Concepcion on the ropes. They may stop it, and they do here in the 7th.
Panalo noon ang nooy boxing rising star na si Mikey Garcia via 7th round TKO at napanatili ang mga titulo habang itong Pinoy challenger na si Bernabe Concepcion ay nakuha ang talo via KO, pangalawang knockout niya sa kanyang buong karera. Huling lumaban itong si Bernabe Concepcion noong 2016. Nagretiro siya sa edad na 28, bit-bit ang kartadang 34 wins, 7 losses, 2 draws at 20 dito via knockout. Sayang din talaga itong si Concepcion mga pre. Magaling, may malakas na suntok at may stamina. Sa katunayan, bagamat natalo siya via KO kontra sa champion noon na si Juan Manuel Lopez, ay nagawa pa niya itong patumbahin sa unang round. Sayang, maagang nagretiro, may malaking potential sana ito. May mga istorya din kasi noon na nagka-problema sila sa ugali ni Concepcion. Nagka-problema din sa trainer at sa promotion. Pero di muna natin halongkatin ang totoong rason mga pre dahil limitado lang talaga ang mga detalye. Anong masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, reaction at suggestion ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping perme.